Hi guys, let's see how to make mutton soup rasam. So for preparing masala, these are the ingredients required. 1 tomato, 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of pepper, few curry leaves, 10 pods of garlic, 1 green chilli and 2 small onions. For a change, I am going to prepare the masala using the traditional method of stone grinding. Meanwhile, I have taken a lemon-sized tamarind and extracted the juice from it, and this is our mutton soup. Adding our stone ground masala to the tamarind juice. Now it's time to make rasam. Heat a kadai and add oil to it. Add 2 teaspoons of mustard seeds, 3 to 4 red chillies, adjust according to your spice level. Few curry leaves and a pinch of asafoetida and a teaspoon of turmeric powder to it. Now let's add our tamarind masala into the kadai and adding the mutton soup to it. Garnish with curry leaves and coriander leaves. Add salt as required. Keep the flame in low. Do not let the rasam to boil. Wait for the froth to form at the top. Once the froth is formed, switch off the flame. Our yummy mutton soup rasam is ready to serve hot. Do try it home. You will definitely like the taste of this rasam. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.